Hi guys, it's MVP1 and I am back with another fidget spinner video. All my other videos you saw me using this thing right here. Just this little tiny, just one. It's not that big. But in this video, I'm bringing in a special guest. This guy. This one's really special because it's got emojis. And then it's got the blue. And it's really, really cool. And if you want to listen to this sound, you really can barely hear any of it. And now let's take this one. And you can hear that a lot. Like, you can't see, you can't. And now, you can do this and with them. And this one, as you can see, there's a size difference. Maybe just by a tiny bit. There is a speed difference. So I'm just going to show you this. Ready? I'm going to spin them both at the same exact time. So this one, I'm going to give this one a head start. Jeez. I'm going to give this guy right here, a little head start. Just because I feel that's fair. Okay. Ready? Ready? He gets a head start. He starts later. And that's all she was. This one got right here, got the head start. And this guy beats her. This one actually looks like it's going really slow. But it's actually going fast. I see that one slowing down. Keep going. And as you can see, this one is probably going to end up faster because it's still going pretty fast. And this guy's slowing down. And he didn't stop yet. He didn't. This guy wins, even with the disadvantage. So, just wanted to post it just to show you guys my brand new fidget spinner. My favorite one. My favorite. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. You really, really have to like and subscribe, or I'm not going to be happy.